Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love reading for September 2024. So, unahin natin yung mga in a relationship na Scorpio. Let's see what's going on sa inyong love life. What's coming to Scorpio, September 2024? You have the Queen of Wands. So, maaring you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You have the Lover. So, pwede rin Gemini. I see there's more of a commitment dito, no? So, maaring lalo kayong nagiging matibay sa inyong relationship. You are working things out. So, pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng challenge in your past. At maaring nagkaroon din ng reunion dito. Yung tipong nagkabalikan, nagkaayos. And you're really trying to make some effort sa relationship na to. Some of you, you may be in a long distance relationship, kaya medyo struggle sa inyo yung pagbibigay ng effort, ng time, ng energy, is because of the distance, no? Yung distansya ninyo sa isa't isa. But I see na meron ditong nag-effort na pumunta doon sa lugar kung nasaan yung kanyang person. So, pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. Halimbawa, nasa abroad or nasa ibang lugar. Pwedeng locally, no? And nag-effort talaga siya na mag-reach out para maayos yung inyong relationship. Some of you, meron kayong mga plans, travel plans ng iyong person. Maaring yun yung magiging bonding ninyo para mas lalo nyong mapatatag ang inyong relationship. Some of you, pwedeng bago pa lang tong relationship na to or nandun kayo sa parang ano siya, yung tipong 1 year mahigit na. Kumbaga, you are really developing this relationship into a more serious commitment. You have wallflower. Ayun nga, maaari kasing hindi nabigyan ng attention, no? Yung isa sa inyo, nung isa, na parang nag-expect siya na mas maasikaso siya or mag-effort. But I think bumabawi naman, no, yung other person. You may be dealing with a young female, no? It doesn't matter if you are into, different genders. It doesn't matter. But ang importante rito is the energy of this person. So, bata pa siya, no? Or maaring hindi sa age, pwede ring youthful yung kanyang, yung energy niya. Oo. So, I think you're going to have more fun. Pwede kasing isa rin sa dahilan yan, selos, no? Oo, na yung tipong, yung iba kasi nagsiselos pero wala naman talagang pinagsaselosan. Yung tipong tamang hinala, ganon. Na siguro kaya hindi mo ako nabibigyan ng atensyon kasi may iba ka nang binibigyan ng atensyon. Yung mga ganon. Pero ang totoo, busy lang talaga yung kanyang person. Communication, neither one of us is being honest right now. Why are we afraid to express ourselves? Yes. So, napaka-importante ng honesty sa inyong relationship. Kung ano yung gusto nyong i-express sa person nyo, mas maganda na masabi nyo para at least nagkakaintindihan kayo, no? Kasi minsan, pag tinanong ka, okay ka lang ako. Pero ang totoo, nang gagalaiti ka na, galit ka na, or nasistress ka na. So, you have to be more honest. You also have, I close my eyes and imagine you're here with me. Oh my God! O, diba, ini-imagine nyo yung isa't isa na malapit kayo sa isa't isa dahil, or malapit kayo sa isa't isa dahil there's distance, no? For most of you, this is a long-distance relationship. It feels so real. I'm beginning to understand this is what it means to be in 5D with you. So, yung iba sa inyo, yung distance ay you're trying to overcome, no? Yung ganung klaseng situation na may mga pagkakataon na hindi kayo nagkakasama. And that's fine. Kasi ganun naman hindi naman pwedeng lagi kayong magkasama 24/7. Dahil yung iba sa inyo may kanya-kanya kayong buhay, kumbaga, na kailangan nyo rin i-accomplish mga personal goals ninyo. Diba? So, importante you also have time for yourself individually and also for the relationship. you just met the romantic partner that you're looking for. So yeah, like what I mentioned kanina, yung iba sa inyo, bago pa lang tong relationship na to. Yeah, see? Honesty. You have to be honest. I think ito yung isa sa solusyon ninyo sa inyong relationship. You're becoming more honest with your person regarding your feelings, your plans, yung mga expectations mo sa kanya para alam niya kung ano yung dapat niyang i-provide for this connection, for this relationship. 'Di ba? Like attracts like. If we long for more love, be more loving. Yes. It's like mirroring each other. Kung meron kang ina-expect sa isang tao na ganun, maging ganun siya, ikaw dapat ganun ka rin. So, if you're expecting your person to love you, you also need to be someone who shows love, and care, and attention, understanding. Okay, so that is your reading. That is your reading for mga Scorpio in a relationship. Now, let's go naman sa mga Scorpio na single. Okay, let's see. Meron bang parating na person sa buhay nyo? Meron bang magpapakilig sa inyo? Scorpio. Singles. Love life, September. You have the Chariot. Uy, may tinatakasan ka. Saan ka papunta, Scorpio? Para may iniiwasan ka. Okay. So, you may be dealing with a Cancer, malakas yung Capricorn energy, and Sagittarius. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo na single, pwedeng meron kang iniiwasan na isang toxic situation sa buhay mo na ayaw mo nang maging parte, no? Because you want to experience change. Pwedeng yung energy from your past, like a relationship in your past, pwedeng yung person mo hindi pa nakaka-move on sa'yo. So, it's stressing you out. Oo, parang nanunuyo pa rin, gusto ka pa rin na i-pursue, gusto niyang ayusin yung relationship niyo. But I think for some of you, tapos na kayo dun sa connection na yun. You feel like you've done your part, no? Pakiramdam mo, nagawa mo na yung best mo para i-save yung relationship in the past. And now, gusto mo ng change, major change, pagbabago. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, hindi nyo maiwasan dahil pwedeng katrabaho nyo or same kayo ng company or ng industry. Sinusuyo ka. Uy, may new love. Oh, siguro yung person from your past, kaya siya nagre-reach out or gustong ayusin yung relationship niyo is ayaw niya na magkaroon ka ng bagong person sa buhay mo. Ay talaga naman, siya ay selfish, no? Oo. It seems na itong relationship ninyo, maaring na-feel mo na hindi mo na kayang i-deal yung conflict ninyo sa isa't isa, or hindi mo na kayang i-deal yung pagiging obsessive niya or yung pagiging toxic niya sa connection na to. So, gusto mo nang umalis sa ganyang situation. And yung iba sa inyo, nakaalis na sa ganyang situation. Kaya lang, parang andun pa rin yung energy ng person from the past na ginugulo kayo. The universe brought us together for a reason. I am discovering what these reasons are. Yes. So, there is a reason kung bakit kayo pinagtagpo. Dahil maaring meron kailangang i-heal from your past. Meron kailangang lesson na matutunan sa connection na yan. And yung iba sa inyo, natutunan nyo na yung lesson. Ngayon, tinetest ka ng universe kung talagang natutunan mo na ba. Magiging marupok ka ba na bumalik sa person na to? Kasi kung marupok ka, ibig sabihin, is hindi mo pa natutunan yung lesson. I care about you even when I act like I didn't. I'm hiding my true feelings because I feel vulnerable. So I'm seeing this as an energy of the new person coming in sa buhay mo. Meron dyan na naghihintay lang sa'yo na maging ready ka for this new relationship. Maging ready ka na tanggapin siya sa buhay mo. Ayan, no? Kasi nga may nanghahabol sa'yo. 'Di ba? Someone isn't over the relationship. So, I feel like this is the person from the past. And itong potential na to, ito yung new person na may potential na maging relationship. So, kumbaga intertwined yung energies for you, Scorpio, sa energy ng past tsaka new person. So, pili ka. Nasa transition ka na. Mag-move on ka o babalik ka sa toxic situation. The union of hearts, a love connection defies explanation. So, I feel like there is kumbaga, ang magiging direction mo is someone na talagang meant for you to be with. Okay? Whoever this person is, this can be a new person coming in. But I think this is new person kasi 28 is number 10. No? Number 10 in numerology is number 1, which is new beginnings. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.